Hello guys, hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and fine. I'm Lohit Jindal, the founder and director at Cortex Classes. So guys, I'm back with the next video of PRMO 2018 solutions, right? So हम इसके अंदर अभी तक guys first question कर चुके हैं and today we are going to do the second question of PRMO 2018. Okay, so quite an easy question based on geometry. Okay, let's see the question कि क्या बोला जा रहा है उसमें. Okay, let's see. All right. So guys, the 2 marker questions are generally easier on the easier side. So you should be able to score marks in those questions. ठीक है. तो try करते हैं इस question को. Quite an easy one. Okay, इसका diagram बनाते हैं. There were multiple ways to solve this question as well. Okay. So let's read guys. In a quadrilateral ABCD, it is given that AB is equal to AD and that is 13. Okay, तो diagram बना लेते हैं guys. That should be easy. Okay. Okay. एक बार question भी read कर लेते हैं. So it should help us to draw the diagram also, है ना? So we know the two sides AB and AD, then we know BC and CD, and then we know BD side as well. Okay. So basically हमें 4 sides पता है quadrilateral की and one of the diagonal as well. And it's given if R is the radius of the circle inscribable in the quadrilateral. Okay. So we'll be needing a circle. So it is better to draw the circle beforehand and then draw the quadrilateral, right? All right. Okay, I'll try guys. थोड़ा नीचे कर देते हैं. All right. So, and this is the other side. Yeah, I'm sorry. Something like this. And there is another side. Okay, so guys, the diagram is of something of this sort. Okay, and I'll not mostly not be able to draw, to the scale, but okay, we'll have a diagram basically. Okay, here it is. So guys, क्या दिया हुआ है? AB and AD. So let us name them. This is A, B, C, and D, right? So AB is given to be 13. AD is also 13, consider it to be touching here. Okay, so and BC is how much? 20. Okay, so you can say that as we have two isosceles triangles, right? This is also 20 and BD is 24. Okay, so this length is 24. Oh, sorry, we have got this thing. All right guys, so we need to find the circle. जो ये circle है guys अंदर, उसका radius अगर small r मानते हैं हम, तो उसकी value हमें ढूंढनी है to the nearest integer. So guys, we know that this in radius to a quadrilateral is given by delta upon s, right? That is the formula. Where what is this s value here? That is simply calculate कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे तो. S will be equal to 13 plus 13 plus 20, total semi perimeter of the quadrilateral, right? So plus 20 upon, okay, I'm sorry, whole divided by 2, right? So that is the semi perimeter. So 13 plus 13 is 26 plus 40. 26 plus 40 is 66 by 2. So that's 33. So एक value तो आपने निकाल ली है. All you need to find further is the value of delta, right? Guys, delta ढूंढना रह गया. Now what does delta mean? Delta means the area of the quadrilateral. So guys, there are two ways to go about it. Okay, I'll tell you the one method and do the question with the other method. Okay, जो easy पड़ेगा हमें. So guys, one of the method to find delta is to divide them into two parts. Okay, वो तो हमें anyways करना है. So consider this area. First ABD triangle. Okay, I'll mark once. Okay, so this, okay, I'll mark this. This, let's say this area is delta 1 and this triangle, the other one is, let's say the area is delta 2. We can find delta 1 and delta 2 by Heron's formula. You can apply Heron's formula easily here, right? So you know all the three sides of the triangle. You can apply Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle, right? That is one way. थोड़ा calculation ज़्यादा रहेगा, but I am here to do it in a simpler method. Although ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, but we can do it in a shorter method as well. Why? Interesting thing is, guys, both the triangles are isosceles, right? So if we're talking about isosceles triangle, what we can do here is we can draw perpendiculars, and that will be on their, you can say median. Median and altitude are the same, right? So we can connect these like this. So these angles are 90 each, right? And using Pythagoras. So guys, what is the half length? That is going to be 12 of the midpoint, right? This length, let me name this midpoint. Let's say this is A, B, C, D. Okay. Let me name it as P. So P point is the midpoint of BD, right? We know that in an isosceles triangle, and from the vertex जिसके साथ में दोनों equal sides हैं, or you can say the vertical vertex, वहां से अगर आप perpendicular drop करते हो, it should be on the midpoint of the third side, right? Median and perpendicular are the same, right? Same lines. So using that property, तो guys इसकी length हम AP की length ढूंढ सकते हैं. We can do that as well, right? We can find the length of AP by using Pythagoras, right? So we can see that AP square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. So 13 square minus 12 square. So that is going to be 5 square. We know that it is a Pythagorean triplet, right guys? तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ calculation आपका easy हो जाएगा instead of using Heron's formula, because you can apply Pythagorean triplets form. आपको general कुछ common होते हैं वो आपको पता रहते हैं, right? So that will give you AP length as 5. तो guys यहाँ पे आपके पास length आ गई 5, altitude is 5, the base is 24, right? We'll be able to find the delta 1 value. Similarly, if we see about PC, right? What is the PC value going to be? So that is 20 square minus 12 square under root. Okay, I'll write PC square, right? How much is it? 12 square is 144, subtracting from 400 gives you 256. So that means your length of PC is going to be 16, right? So बच्चों ये length कितनी हो गई? 16 हो गई. So that's it. Now we can add up the areas. What is delta 1? Half base, take the base to be this length BD. So that is 24 into height. So how much is the height for the first triangle? 5. Right? So this is delta 1. Similarly, what is delta 2? Half base into height में, half into base is 24 into height is 16 in that case. So that's it. You have to add them up. So the total delta, if you simply add them, we can make calculations easier a bit. Don't need to calculate every step. So half into 24 is common. So 16 plus 5 gives you 21, right? That's it. So guys, now you can calculate. 2 will cancel 24 for 12, right? So that delta value is 12 into 21, right? So guys, don't need to multiply actually, क्योंकि ये हमारा final answer नहीं है. This is one thing I want to tell you. Don't always calculate the middle steps, even if it is doable. 21 into 12, obviously it is doable, right? So about कितना आ जाएगा? 21 into 12 or 12 into 2, 240, 252 आ जाएगा. Okay, it's doable. But what I'm trying to say is you don't need to calculate every time. Because आपको पता है अभी 33 से divide भी तो करना है. We can cancel some factors, then simplify ना. Okay. So now let us see the value of R. So the delta value is 12 into 21 divided by S value is 33. What we can see here is it can cancel with 3 further. So 3 पे cancel होगा and this is 7. So guys, the final value is coming out somewhere 12 into 7, 84. Right? 84 by 11. So since we need to find the nearest integer, we need to divide it. So guys, 7 तो आ रहा है 77 के लिए. So after that the remainder is 77 is the multiple of 11, right? तो multiple उसके बाद कितना बचा है? 70. So 70 के लिए we will need to divide. 7 बचेगा. So we'll put a decimal. Then 70 को 11 से divide करेंगे. The nearest value is 6. Right? 66. So remainder is 44. So 40 divided by 11. Right? 70 बचा था. 66 40 के लिए divide करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? You can see about 3. So 7.63 something, right? 7.63, but we need to calculate the nearest integer closest to r. So the answer that we should be marking for this particular question should be 8, right? The nearest integer is 8, not 7. Since it is 7.63 greater than 7.5, so the correct answer for this should be 8, right? So guys, I hope ये क्वेश्चन सबको समझ में आ गया, क्लियर हो गया. क्वाइट एन इजी क्वेश्चन. एंड एज आई सेड, आप दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया यूजिंग हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला यू कैन फाइंड दैट एज वेल, है ना. कंपैरेटिवली थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो सकता है इससे मेथड, बट नॉट क्वाइट लेंदी. यू नो द साइड्स, यू कैन डू इट द कैलकुलेशंस प्रीटी क्विकली. Okay, so I hope guys this question is clear to everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, and please share it with your friends if you think that these kind of videos might be useful to them. So we have tried to keep our channel as no nonsense channel guys. Completely proper content hum deliver karenge. Will not be doing any random stuff or useless videos. Okay, jisse time kharab ho. We'll keep the videos to the point, and so that these are useful to you guys. Okay, so will be great if you guys can share with this kind of videos with your friends so that they might also get benefit from this. Okay, ताकि उनको भी फायदा हो सके. All right guys, so that's it from my end. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best guys. Take care. Bye bye.